Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini Nano banana features, easy method. Begin by powering on the Nano and pairing it with your phone via Bluetooth in the app. Next, enable banana mode and select a preset to see live previews. Customize color, brightness, and motion speed to match your mood. Test the feature with a short animation and save your favorite preset for quick access later. In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Nano banana features, easy method. Open the Effects tab and pick a palette or create a custom one using the color picker. Use the brightness slider or type an exact % for consistent looks. Tweak motion controls to adjust speed, direction, and loop behavior for seamless animations. Preview changes in real time and tap Save to store your configuration for instant recall. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which plays music, responds to voice, and can control your Nano hands-free. It adds atmosphere and makes shortcuts easier to trigger while you tweak effects. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals, and if you grab one, enjoy the upgrade. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help how to use Gemini Nano banana features, easy method. Use the Automation tab to schedule effects like sunrise or party modes at chosen times. Create a shortcut for instant activation with a tap or a voice assistant phrase. Group multiple Nano units to sync color and motion so your setup moves together. Test automations manually once to confirm timing and behavior before relying on them daily.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.